Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and the current code. This avoids lockouts. Once powered, approach the control panel and enter the existing password to open change mode. Make sure the safe displays the change prompt. Beeps or LEDs usually confirm this. If your model requires a master key or backup PIN, keep it handy because some safes require dual verification. Now that you're authenticated, proceed to the new password entry screen to begin creating the replacement code. You'll now choose a new code that satisfies the safe's requirements. Longer and varied digits resist guessing. Once selected, enter the new password, then immediately re-enter it to confirm accuracy. Many units show a strength meter or LED pattern so you can verify. While still in settings, add a recovery PIN or register an authorized user to avoid future lockouts. Make sure to save changes explicitly. Press the Save/Confirm button, because leaving the menu can cancel. You finish by testing the new password immediately. Lock the safe and unlock it using the new code to confirm success. Then record the change in your secure credential log and notify any authorized users so operations continue smoothly. Make sure the safe's display or log shows the update time for auditing. If the change fails or the safe rejects the code, try the master key or the device's reset procedure. If that doesn't work, contact manufacturer support as the key troubleshooting step to avoid damaging the lock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.